Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Google Family Link parent access code not working in 2026. So the parent access code is time-based and the device-specific code. If something is out of sync, like some time settings or account login, the code won't work. So in order to fix it, you will need to start with the most important fix. In it, you just have to go to the child device settings and ensure that the automatic date and the times are turned on. The correct time zone is also selected. If the time is wrong here, the code will always fail. Now, parent access code expires quickly. So you need to open the family link on the parent device and generate a new code. Then enter it immediately on the child's device. You need to make sure that you are logged into the same parent account which is linked to the child device, because using a different account will also generate an invalid code. Now both the devices should have the stable internet connection as well. Even though the code works offline, sometimes syncing issues can cause the failure. Now if none of the methods are working for you, what you can do is you can just simply restart both your devices, and this refreshes the application and it also fixes the sync related glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.